Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Afro Swing FX. I will be doing a top-down analysis of XAUUSD. This is gold. I did a poll on my Telegram channel. If you go to Telegram, just look for this channel Afro Swing FX with the Kenyan flag. I requested members to vote on what pair I will analyze next. I'm seeing XAUUSD1. I did the same poll on my Instagram channel. Same XAUUSD1. Uh, XAUUSD gold seems to be people's favorite, possibly because of the amount of pips or the amount of money people bank. But so I'll also want to extend a word of caution. The same way it pays you, the same way it's likely to blow your account. So we had NFP coming in on Friday. NFP coming in on Friday, and the NFP was on top. It was beyond expectation. It was good. It was beyond expectation. And then we saw cross USD pairs went into a bearish momentum. And this is the 15-minute time frame of the XAU USD. We have broken a new low. We have grabbed liquidity. So let me start on the monthly time frame. For the purpose of this analysis, I will remove all drawings. So you're seeing on the monthly time frame, ladies and gentlemen, we are making higher highs. So it looks like on the monthly, we have a bullish trend. So on the monthly, we have a bullish trend. And then we have this high. So we have this targeted high that seems to have been broken. Let me just say BOS monthly. And then we have this low. This high created this low. Let's call it the targeted low. But if you look closely, we also have equal bottoms. We can name them equal lows. Sorry, this is liquidity. So we have 16, 18 liquidity levels. If I go down to the weekly time frame, we still have a bullish trend on the weekly time frame, but there's something I want us to see. We have this high. We have this high that is yet to be broken. So let's call it targeted high. But we also have a trendline liquidity. So ladies and gentlemen, this is where we will start. We have this high. This high formed this low. Let me just mark it. This high formed this low. This low formed this high, and this high did not break the previous high, so it becomes a weaker high. And this high formed a new low, and the low broke beyond the previous low. So if I was to mark my charts afresh, this is what I will do. This will be a weak high, okay? And then this will be a weak low. This is a weak low. So this weak low formed a weak high, and the weak high didn't break the previous high, so this becomes a weaker high. We don't expect the market to go beyond this anytime soon. So what we're expecting is a lower level to be formed. And if you check closely, we had a change of character on the weekly. Thereafter, the market went into a corrective mode. Did that, so the market is on tap to come back to this direction of 1618. So this is where I'm seeing gold going in the long term. I can also go to the lower time frames to show you what happened. If I go to the lower time frame, if I go to the lower time frame, we have this active demand level here, this demand zone seated here, this demand zone seated here. And what we're expecting in the coming weeks, ladies and gentlemen, is we could see a consolidation to this level, then a resumption of the bearish trend. Sorry, this is a corrective move. We could see also a consolidation, then a break, a retest, and then a continuation. So these are possible moves in the coming weeks, or the coming days. I still think dollar is bullish despite the minor rally against the dollar by the time you're closing the markets on Friday. I don't think cross USD pairs will rally to new highs. I think this is just a minor correction or a consolidation, then a continuation. If I look at my charts, what I am seeing presently is I have this fresh order block. I have this fresh order block. So if the market comes to this region, I will sell. If the market consolidates and breaks lower, I will still sell. And this is what we are looking at. We are looking at these levels to be broken. Just correct it. We are looking at this level to be broken. This is a targeted level. And where am I expecting the market to stop? So we have the liquidity down here. We have another fresh order block down here. So there's a lot of confluence that gives us confidence that the market is pushing to these lower levels. If I come back here, I have another fresh order block, and then I have another fresh order block here. And if I switch to the weekly, you will see these three fresh order blocks are seated in between a fair value gap. So there's a lot of confluence to tell us that gold will be coming downwards. And then I saw something interesting on silver. I know this video is for gold, but let me just show you something on silver. So let me go to the daily time frame. So we had a trendline liquidity that was grabbed. So the market is likely to come back to this region of 22 or maybe 23, but I don't see the market going back to the region of 24. So if the market comes back to the region of 22.5, it's likely to continue pushing downwards to these new levels of 19. Again, I maintain I have a rather bullish outlook on DXY, which is the dollar index. And if you look at my charts here, we have broken a key level. So what we're expecting is maybe a minor retracement, maybe to these levels here. We mark that, a minor retracement, and then a continuation to the new levels of 109, 111, or 113. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is my brief analysis on gold with additional input from silver and DXY. So, this coming week, ladies and gentlemen, let's not be eager to sell this pair or buy. Let's just wait for what will happen. If the pair breaks lower, this is my advice. If the pair breaks lower, wait for correction, then sell, targeting these new low levels of 1600 or 1700 levels. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you a successful trading week.